popular demand, the DIY contour and highlight hack 1. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do it. It's super easy. It requires all the ingredients that most of us have at home. What on is to basically chisel my cheekbones, bring some warmth to my face, chisel my jawline, and then highlight and brighten the areas that we want to naturally brighten. Our under eyes, a little bit of our forehead, and then just naturally having that warm toned skin that we all want. We can naturally have that look, that sun-kissed look, without actually being in the sun. Make sure you extend when you're applying. I'm going to start with the contour. Again, you want to be very careful where you line this up. Again, it's not permanent, but you want to make sure the lines that you're drawing on your face is where you would want to have that contour effect on your face. So this is the mixture, and I'm going to be very careful while applying it. I'm going to use a foundation brush, a clean foundation brush, and take a little bit of it at a time and make sure I do this correctly. About 10 minutes, and then you want to rinse it off with some lukewarm water, and I'll show you guys the after in just a minute. So guys, I am all done. It's a very subtle change, but you see the glow. Like I haven't applied anything, and the skin is so glowy, and you have that like natural kind of contour. Forehead and kind of chisel